President Aquino assures government assistance for typhoon victims. The president also wants all assets of government to be made available to speed up the delivery of needed assistance in typhoon-devastated areas. Rocky Ignacio reports.
President Aquino continues to monitor the effect of Super Typhoon National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council and other concerned agencies are still on red alert status. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valdez said the President wants to determine the effectiveness of the government's contingency measures to mitigate the impact of the strongest typhoon that had entered the Philippines this year. The President ordered concerned agencies to utilize all government's assets to extend immediate assistance in the affected areas.
Ang utos lang po ng Pangulo ay patuloy yung ating coordination, yung paglalabas ng mga assets na nangangailangan at tinitingnan din po ng Pangulo kung sapat na yung ating mga preparasyon doon sa mga lugar na dapat daanan ng bagyong Pablo.
Malacanang also renewed its call to residents in the affected areas not disregard the storm warning signal issued by Pag-asa. Valte claimed the State Weather Bureau issued the storm signal warning one day earlier to give residents enough time to prepare in case an evacuation is needed.
Kasi marami po kaming nakuhang tanong kahapon na signal number 3 daw po sa lugar nila pero hindi naman daw po umuulan. Let us not be complacent, let us keep our guard up at nandyan po yung lead time precisely to allow us to make our preparations will hold.
President Aquino has allotted more than 42 million pesos standby funds. Family packs or relief goods are ready to be distributed in the affected areas. Valte said the government has enough fund to augment additional relief assistance if needed.
Sa ngayon po, wala pa naman pong indikasyon mula sa DSWD na kailangan. Ngunit kung kakailanganin, meron naman po tayong ipang pupondo dyan.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.